In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect URL in Blogger. If you want to send visitors from one blog post or page to another, Blogger makes that pretty simple with its custom redirect feature. This is especially useful if you've changed a post's URL, deleted an old page, or just want to make sure people land on the correct content instead of seeing an error page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to create the redirect properly. To get started, open Blogger and go to your blog settings. Once you're in settings, look for the section called Errors and Redirects. Inside that section, select Custom Redirects. This is where you can manage URL forwarding for your blog. Now click Add to create a new redirect. You'll see two fields, From and To. In the From field, enter the old relative path. This means you should only type the part of the URL that comes after your main domain, not the full website address. For example, if the old page was part of your blog already, you only need the path portion. This is important because Blogger's redirect tool works with relative paths rather than complete URLs. Next, in the To field, enter the new path where you want visitors to be sent. Just like before, use the relative path for the destination page instead of the full URL. This tells Blogger where to redirect anyone who tries to open the old address. You'll also notice an option labeled Permanent. Check this if you want the redirect to be treated as a permanent change. In most cases, this is the right choice when an old page has been replaced for good. A permanent redirect can also help search engines understand that the content has moved, which may be helpful for keeping things organized over time. If the change is only temporary, you can leave that unchecked. Once everything looks correct, save the redirect. After saving, Blogger will apply the rule so that visitors trying to access the old path are automatically sent to the new one. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double-check both paths for typing mistakes. Even a small error, like a missing slash or a misspelled word, can prevent the redirect from working as expected. After saving, test the old URL in your browser to make sure it takes you to the right destination. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom URL redirect in Blogger, which helps keep your blog easier to navigate and improves the experience for your visitors.